happy Friday again. So I have quite a few boxes I need to be filming and getting caught up. So I have another one for you today. And that, as you can see, is the November 2019 UpBox. Y'all know this is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is always phenomenal. I love it so much. So for those of you that do not know, UpBox is $39.99 a month, and it is just an absolutely amazing lifestyle subscription. It is an uplifting encouragement subscription. It usually or always does have a scripture that the theme is kind of based on, but y'all, they literally pack this box with so many amazing products that are not just wonderful products and useful, but they go with the theme so well. It blows my mind how they do this every month. I mean, it's busting at the seams. It's so full. It comes in an outer box, so I just took it out of that. I cannot wait to get in here and see what we got for November 2019. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for UpBox. Also, I will put a promo code, which is UpBox50, down below. And if you want to sign up for a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, you can use that code and get 50% off your first box, which is awesome. Also, another thing, y'all, they give back. They do give 20% of their profits to the Jesus Way Foundation, and I think that is amazing. I love when subscription boxes give back, and y'all, this one just touches my soul. Like, I love this box so much. It is amazing every month. I mean, I could sit here for literally 2 hours and just rave about this box, but I'm not. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what we got for November. So let's get in here. Also, I just want to remind you guys, we do have quite a few active giveaways going on. They will all be linked down below, so go ahead and enter if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. So first of all, something smells amazing. So this is what we see when we open it. So perfect for November. The colors, yes. So, all right. Blessed is the theme. How wonderful to have such blessings. And that is Psalms 144:15. Oh, I love this already. Oh. All right. This is what I'm talking about for their presentation, y'all. Let me try and show you this without it falling out. They have the squigglies, but they go the extra mile and they put in these adorable little, like we have these little cute little pumpkins. Oh, the pattern is different. So like it's two-sided. We've got a couple leaves. We have 2 little orange leaves. We have some acorns. We have, oh, this pumpkin that says blessed. We have blessed. I just love, their presentation is always spot on. It's seriously one of the best, it's probably the best box as far as presentation. You can just tell y'all, okay. Let me just get some of these squigglies out the way. And we are going to get in here. Something smells fantastic. I mean, something smells amazing. Okay. All right. So now that we have gotten the squigglies out of the way, this is what we see. So we have our card here. They do always give you this 5x7 that will have the theme, and it does go over a little bit of information on the back and then all the goods. So, see what I mean? They pack this box. All right. So obviously the theme for November is blessed. So welcome to your blessed box. Gratitude really is so much more than a passing trend or an annual occasion. Gratitude should be our state of mind, something we live out loud. Indeed, our lifestyle should be a reflection and expression of our deep awareness of being intentionally thankful. Our blessed box was curated with this inspired theme in mind. How wonderful to have such blessings. Like I said, Psalms 144:15. We hope that you are uplifted by the assortment of lifestyle items chosen for the season's box. We hope these serve as helpful reminders to you of how thankful, grateful, and blessed you are. That is amazing. You cannot open this box and not feel amazing. You just can't. And that's their thing is we make happy happen. You know, and it's an encouragement in a box. And literally, like I said, you can't open this box and not smile, y'all. You just can't. So here we have a card, and it does have the quote on it. And then another that says, thankful, grateful, and blessed. Beautiful. We actually have two of those too. And they are individual. Are they individual cards? Let me see. Yeah. So they're individual cards. You could display, you could pass along, you could, you know, whatever you want to do. I think they are gorgeous. And then let's get into, they always put in, right here, this is obviously the same as the 5x7 card, but it does have the scripture inside. There's two of them in here with envelopes that you could write little messages and pass along, which I think is amazing. And then let's just, let me see, I think that's everything as far as the cards. This stuff comes in every box. They always put the little cards in the boxes based on the theme. So let's get in here and see what all we got. All right, so this right here, I'm already loving. This is totally my style and something that I will definitely find a place for in my home. It is a little wooden plaque decorative accessory, and it says blessed. And I think that that is just gorgeous in its simplicity and its meaning. I love it. So we have that guy. All right, and then we have, oh my gosh, this is just the cutest. Oh, y'all. It's like a little picture frame, but it's like you can clip, and it's got like the galvanized metal. But there is a little picture there, blessed and grateful, which I would probably just leave and put up like this. This is just, what? You see what I'm talking about? This box is just phenomenal. All right, and then what do we have here? Oh my gosh. All right, this is from Natural Life. We have some cute little ankle socks, and they have llamas on them, y'all. Are those not so cute? And they're so soft. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, I'm already like so in love with this month's box. It's just amazing. All right. And then we have, what is this? This is also from Natural Life. I think this may be something you could put, it says just breathe. You can see that there. It's gorgeous. You could put medication maybe, and because when you open it, this is what it looks like. Or, I mean, you could put whatever you need, something small, throw it in your purse or something and have it on the go. That is adorable. I love that so much. This is what I'm smelling. Apple spice soy candles. It's got apple, nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, and vanilla notes. That smells so good. PurePaletteScents.com. And these are handmade in Virginia. So they're actually a little bit larger than regular like tea lights. because it is 6 of them in here and they are that height right there, but they smell phenomenal. So that's what I've been smelling this whole time. It smells amazing. All right, and then we have got, so recipe box, 8-piece. This is what it looks like first. Let me show you that. Right there. Let's see. All right, so this comes with, oh, this is awesome. This comes with like the little dividers, and then it comes with recipe 4 from the kitchen of, and then the ingredients and directions. So you could have people fill out the recipes, or you could put your recipes in here and you can divide them by, you know, soup or entree, appetizer, dessert, things like that. That is fun. And that for November with Thanksgiving, I think that is so appropriate. So I'm gonna stick the recipe cards in there with that. And it's so cute. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so I'm gonna stick that right back in there. And then, oh, I love this. So this is something we could put around at Thanksgiving, and I think this is amazing. Thankful List 2019, I am thankful for. And y'all, they're getting me with the mason jars. They're getting me. I love that. Awesome. And then let's see. We have this one last product. So let me move the box out of the way. And this says, I don't know what it is, but it is like so cute. Okay. Just be you and celebrate your story. 8x4 something wood decorative home decor shelf block. So this is the packaging. Even the packaging, it's got like a to and from tag. It's like a little wooden, this is cute. Let's see what this is. Y'all, is that not beautiful? Like, this is like legit solid wood, and it's kind of the whitewash, little bit of distressed look, and it says thankful. Oh my gosh. I see every month, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the best UpBox ever. This, y'all, I really do think this is amazing. So we have this gorgeous solid wood block that we can display year round. It doesn't just need to be in November. We need to be thankful and show gratitude at everything every day of the year. So this will definitely find a home, a place here in my home to live year round. So we have this gorgeous block right here. These adorable, super soft, cozy llama socks. This beautiful little Just Breathe. I really do think this is like for medications, but you really could use it for whatever, but it's so cute. These candles that smell phenomenal. This gorgeous little display, blessed and grateful. This blessed sign here. We have the recipe cards with the little box. We have the thankful cards, like I said, that we could kind of use at Thanksgiving, maybe have one at each place setting. And then we have our cards that we can pass along, and then our 5x7, which is gorgeous. Y'all, I love this box so much. This, they sell out every month, so if you really like this box, like I said, I'm going to put a link down below as well as that promo code. Go ahead and order. Hurry up. Don't miss this box. It is amazing. It's amazing every month, but especially this month, this is just touching me in so many ways. So let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.